Okay, we're going over there. So we're on a rubber plantation. So this we're going to show you now is where your car tires come from. This is the rubber tree. Look at this. Look. Hang on, wait. Let's get a good view. So look at that. There's nothing there. As soon as you cut it, it comes. Look at that. Wait, see that?
Nước miếng mà chạy đó. Đó, chạy nước miếng.
See, look at that.
Tí dân màu.
That's where your car tires come from, and your condoms. It's I've just got a hit on the head from Tam, but it's very true. This is where they start from. And this plantation has 2,000 trees, and one person takes care of 500. The trees give rubber for about 55 years. And they just keep going down, cut down. Isn't it amazing? Sorry, sometimes nature is just, not sometimes, always, nature is just beyond words. Can I try? Okay, look, I'm going to try now. And this is going to be a video, so I'm going to make it.
Hey, hello.
Halloween, hello.
Bên đi ra bên. Rồi chị tiếng đòn sẽ ấy trước, làm trước cho nó coi. Go up first and go down. Wait.
Kéo xuống.
Go down.
Go down.
Yeah.
Bước qua kia.
Go over there. Move vô body.
Ốp sao? Ốp như nè. Ốp như nè.
Go more in.
Okay, strong against it.
Yeah, go more in.
Rồi vô nó mệt vậy.
Come out a little bit. Come out.
Sát vô.
Yeah, too much. Come in. Không cái.
Rồi. Sát vô nè. Sát vô.
Mẹ đúng không?
Obviously.
Ngủ.
Sát vô.
More in a little bit. Not in much.
I think it's more good.
Yeah. Nó làm tốt hơn nó làm thế.
But look, that. When next time you drive your car, maybe next time you change your tyre, maybe I made the rubber. Isn't that incredible? Absolutely incredible.
Dạ.
Wow.
Nhớ được rồi.
Anyway, that's it. So here we are. And now we're being called over to go and drink beer. So farewell, friends.